My name is Noella Sedbury, and I'm the CEO of Rasa Legal. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about the issue of government fees. This issue is really important because even if you're eligible to clear your record under Utah law, if you can't pay the associated mandatory government fees to get through the process, you're not going to be able to get your record cleared. So to review, I'm first going to talk about the two types of fees that you might encounter during this process. There are two agencies involved, BCI and the courts. The first fee that you're going to encounter is the BCI application fee. People have to pay this fee regardless of what their income is. It is $65 to apply to get the process started. The second fee that BCI charges is called the BCI certificate fee. This is charged for every conviction a person has on their record. It is also $65. So once BCI has analyzed your eligibility and sent you a list of all of the charges that are eligible for expungement, a person has to pay $65 for each conviction that they have. Once we get that letter from BCI confirming that you're eligible to clear your record and you have those certificates, we're ready to move over to the court. The court also charges government fees called filing fees. When a person files an expungement petition with the court, the filing fee is $150 per case. A person must pay this fee unless they obtain a waiver of court fees. As part of the court process, an individual has an opportunity to tell the court that they cannot afford the filing fee and would like to obtain a waiver of that $150 fee. The threshold for a waiver under Utah law is based on the federal poverty guidelines. And under Utah law, individuals must be 150% of the federal poverty line or lower to obtain a waiver of the court filing fee. This year, the legislature passed a new law making some adjustments to who qualifies for that waiver. This was a very impactful law that was sponsored by Senator Stevenson and Representative Clancy. And what it does is help households where there are 3 people or less. So to give you a sense of how this might impact you, before the law, if you made $10.86 per hour or $22,590 per year, you would not qualify for a filing fee waiver. The Utah legislature felt that this limit was too low and leaving too many people behind. So after SB163 was passed, and this is the law in effect today, if you make $18.62 per hour or $38,730 per year, and you are a household size of 1, 2, or 3 people, you are now entitled to a waiver of your court fees. This is a really significant bump and a huge win for low-income Utahns, particularly those who have multiple cases and are facing multiple $150 filing fees.